So let's take a look at what you guys will actually have available to you in our smart credit system as far as the modules or courses, if you were to say. And it's really simple. It's nothing hard about it at all. So once you log in and you go to your smart credit system, of course, you have the introduction video that, pretty much navigates you through the entire Credit Smart system so that you guys know exactly what you're looking for. And right below, these are three options. This is our 750 credit plan. This is a 750 monitoring system where, it actually shows you all three of your credit scores and also your credit reports. So you can have, the first advantage on knowing what your credit score is, what's on your credit report, how much your credit score has raised since you have went in and did your disputes and things like that. But this is a service, guys, that's a very phenomenal service, which only costs $34.95 for a 12-month period. And if you've ever looked into any of the credit monitoring systems, you know that they are a monthly fee and they're much more expensive than that. Now, I just want to click here on the 750 credit plan to show you guys the modules that you will actually have available to you once you become a member of myEcon and start going through the credit repair stages and processes, okay? So the first thing, as you see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, well, pretty much 12 modules that will explain to you how things go. The first one here is the introduction to the 750 credit plan, just pretty much getting you up to speed on, what to expect inside of this course, and how to calculate your credit scores and how they are calculated with the different credit bureaus, okay? The second module is obtaining your credit report. We show you how to get your free credit report to where you're not receiving those little soft inquiries that are added to your credit report. We also teach you in module number 3 how to read your credit report. That's very important. If you do not know how to read the credit report, how do you expect to repair your credit? Okay. Module number 4 is how to dispute items on your credit report. And I just want to go inside of this one here just to show you guys that you do have access to the different dispute letters that are already, written down for you. The only thing you have to change, of course, is your personal information. Add your creditors and your account numbers, and you pretty much, get those letters notarized from your bank, or, you may have a friend that does a notary, and you just have to get that notarized by that individual, and you mail it off. And you wait your 30 days to receive a response back from the 3 different credit bureaus, okay? And so, of course, you'll watch this video here, which is a 7-minute video, and you'll watch that video because they're explaining to you how to dispute things versus how to dispute things online versus, sending that certified letter to the actual credit company, okay? So this is module 4A. And of course, like I said, it's explaining you what's the difference in disputing online and sending your letters in. Module 4B, this is how to mail the credit dispute letters. And of course, down here, it gives you the addresses and everything where you would send it to. And of course, once you click on the next lesson, now it goes into 5A. So for 5A, what you want to do is you definitely want to watch this video because this also tells you how to remove those negative things from your payment history. Like, the payment history equals up to like 35% of your credit score. And if you guys have poor payment history, with this credit literacy course, we definitely express the importance of, paying your bills and things on time after you have repaired your credit. Okay, so as you can see, we have the dispute letters, and it's in a series of 4 letters, and you have the PDF form, and that's just for reading. You can't edit a PDF form, but we also have the Word document form where you go in and you add all of your creditors that you have on your credit report that you want to dispute or remove, and you also have the space on there to put your personal information as well as the address to the credit bureau or the creditor that you're trying to send it to. So it also tells you about credit reporting and the limitations. It tells you how to remove the IRS tax liens off your credit report, how to remove medical bills and things like that. We also have several other letters that you guys will have access to also as a member. It also tells you how to send off the goodwill letter and what the goodwill letter is for. You have 3 goodwill letters there. You also have the PDF as well as the document letter. When to use a pay for delete letter, it tells you all of that. It gives you the letters there to download as well. Okay, so we have a lot of things here in place for you guys to make sure that you get the best results when going in and repairing your own credit. Okay. So, and it's a lot of stuff in here. How to reduce your credit card debt with income shifting that we've already talked about. And, of course, you just go on to the next lesson. Now, the duration of this course, now this is the good part. The duration of this course is only 45 minutes. You watch the videos, you implement the strategies, and you start your credit repair process as soon as, if you want to get started on the same day, you can get started on the same exact day. We give you everything that you need to make sure that you are repairing your credit to the best of your ability. But if you follow the lessons that we have here laid out for you, you are guaranteed to see the results of your credit score, constantly going in the direction of that 750 or the 800 credit score. Okay, so other than that, that's it for this video. Really easy to go through, really easy to understand. And like I said, you do have step-by-step videos and the downloadable documents that you need to send off to the different credit bureaus.